morning everyone. Today we will present about the respiratory system, which is very important for our body. So my name is Aisyah Sayan bin Muhammad Azhar Muhammad.
My name is Muhammad Kashmir Ali.
My name is Muhammad Bayazi.
My name is Muhammad Nazrul Ashraf. My name is Muhammad Hamid Zaki.
Okay, let's go to the function of the respiratory system. Okay, the system will bring oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas. We take an oxygen that travel to our lungs, and both our blood carries the oxygen to the entire body. When we breathe out, carbon dioxide leaves all the body. This will process happen all the time when we sleep.
It is our model of the respiratory system. We use a plastic bottle to represent the human chest, balloon as the lung, and straw as the trachea. At the bottom, we have another balloon to represent diaphragm. When we pull the bottom balloon down, the lung expand like we breathe in. When we push back up, the lung shrink just like breathing out. It shows how the diaphragm helps with breathing.
Now I will explain about the trachea. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a tube that carries air from the nose and mouth into the lungs. In our model, it is shown as the straw. The trachea is supported by rings of cartilage to make sure it stays open when we breathe. It is a very important part that connects the upper airways to the lower parts of the respiratory system.
Our part is the lungs are one of the most important organs in our body. They are responsible for helping us breathe and bringing in oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Without our lungs, we will not be able to survive. In this presentation, I will explain the function and importance of the lungs in our life. The function of the lungs are very important for our body. Their main job is to take in oxygen when we breathe and remove carbon dioxide when we exhale. This helps our body get the oxygen it needs to work properly. The lungs also helps keep the right balance of acid in our blood. They clean the air we breathe by trapping dust and germs using tiny hairs and muscle. The lungs also helps us talk by pushing air through our vocal cords. Lastly, they help protect us from sickness by using special cells to fight off infections.
Thank you Wan for the explanation before. Now we talk about the bronchi and bronchioles. And the trachea then splits into two branches called bronchi, left lung and one to the right. The bronchi then divide into the smaller tubes called bronchioles. These bronchioles help carry the air deep into the lungs all the way to tiny air sacs where gas exchange happens. This step is important to make sure oxygen reaches every part of the lungs. That's all.
Thank you Akmal for the explanation. At the bottom of the lungs, we have muscle called the diaphragm. It moves down when we breathe in and move up when we breathe out. This helps the lungs expand and shrink. Without the diaphragm, we will not be able to breathe properly. So in conclusion, every part of the respiratory system has its own important role. Our body needs oxygen every second, and this system makes sure we get it. So thank you for listening to our presentation. Thank you.